Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is another tips and tricks video about maybe your desktop wallpaper pictures. So you've chosen maybe a theme from the Microsoft Store, or you have a folder with tons of pictures and you just let it slide through these pictures. Well, one of the things that you can change is the speed at which the pictures change in the background. When you're on your desktop, there are speeds. Typically, you can have your picture change in several ways a day, once a day, once every few hours, once a minute. But how do you change that, and where do you change that? Simply go to your settings panel, go into personalization. Here you will be shown your background, and just down here there's something that says change picture every, and now it says 1 minute. You can change that. I, for example, like my pictures to be a little longer on the screen, so I'll choose 1 hour, and there we go. It's changed and it's okay. So basically that means now once an hour my background picture will be changing instead of once a minute. One thing to be very careful of if you are in a Microsoft account and syncing the settings in many Windows 10 machines, you might have those settings reverted to whatever else is available if one of your machines syncs to the other machine. So if you do have a couple of Windows 10 machines, make sure that you change it to an hour on all machines to make sure that there's no problems with the time. That's probably one of the hardest thing about settings in Windows 10. When you change a setting, sometimes people say, hey, it's reverted back, and I don't know why. And often it's because they have more than one computer, and settings are sometimes actually syncing, and your computer comes back to a setting that it was before because of some other machine. So just be careful with that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.